Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I will show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot that sells handmade products. And in this video, I will show you a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And this WhatsApp chatbot sells for me while I sit and relax. So to create this WhatsApp chatbot, all you need to know is just 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account, and after that, whenever any user will send it any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to them automatically on our behalf. Now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Now as we are on my screen, so without any delay, I will show you the real-time example of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. For that, I will open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat, I just have to send this keyword start. After that, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to sell handmade products will get triggered instantly, and here inside my screen, it will send me a welcome message. So here I have received my welcome message. Hey Rajveer Singh, welcome to Knot and Thread Studio, and with details about the business. It is also asking me what would you like to do today. So as I want to browse products, so I will click on this particular button. Then we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will reply me with another message, and here it has sent me this shopping list. So I will open this particular list from here, and in here you can see these are the different type of products that this particular shop has. So if I want to buy this particular product, then I will select it from here and I will send it inside this chat. Next, you can see I have received all the details about this particular product that I have selected from this list. Now if I want to place order, then I will click on this particular button, but if I want to go back to list to select another product, then I will click on this go back to list. But as I want to buy this product, so I will click on this place order. And now this bot has sent me this message, love that, please type your preferred color for your boho daisy hoop rupees 599 from these options. So you can see these are the 3 different options that I can select. So if I want this pastel yellow for myself, then I will just copy this text, I will paste it and send it inside this chat. And here I have received another message, noted, now please tell me the quantity you want for this product, and the stock is 100. So as I want 3 of this particular product for myself, so I will enter 3 and I will send it inside this chat. Here I have received another text, awesome, I have added this particular product, this is the color that I have selected, and this is the quantity. And it is also asking me what would you like to do next. As I want to check out, so I will click on this button, check out. Now this bot has sent me another message, almost done, please share your full shipping address in this format, where you can see I have to enter my name, house, flight number and streets, area, city, pin code and phone number if it is different from this particular number. So to enter message inside this particular format, I will just copy this format from here and I will paste it inside this chat. Now I will enter my details. So here I have entered all my details, and now I will send it inside this chat. Next, you can see I have received this particular message, got your address, thank you. You can complete your payment of this particular product by using any of these options, and it has given me these 3 different options to pay. I can either pay by UPI ID or UPI number or this Razorpay payment link. And after I have completed my payment, I have to send a screenshot here so that they can confirm the payment made by me. So I will quickly pay for this order and then I will send a screenshot inside this chat. So here I have sent this payment receipt inside this chat, and then we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me another message, please click on the button given below and wait while we verify the payment made by you. So I will click on this button, and as soon as this shop will verify the payment made by me, then they will send me all the details about this particular product. So you just saw how easy it is for me to sell products from my website or my shop instantly with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this was the demo of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself. And for that, first of all, I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, we just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And by pressing this enter key, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this page, on the right corner, you can see we have got these 2 different buttons, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail 100 free free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. And if you are an existing user like me, then you have to click on this sign in button. And after that, you will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why we have to click on this access now button. And this will get me directed finally on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And when you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here. And you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after you have added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot, you have to go on this flows and select this flows from here. And in here you can see this is the flow filter page, and in here all the bots that I have created for myself are here. So this is the exact same bot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this bot from here, as I am going to create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot with you guys. Now we will click on this add flow button to start creating a new WhatsApp chatbot for ourselves. But before that, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now I will head back to this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this add flow button. After that, you will see that I will land on this particular page, and in here this particular trigger button is visible to me. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. We will work on this trigger button, but before that I have to give a meaningful name to my chatbot. So I will name my chatbot as this WhatsApp bot that sells handmade products. And now we will work on this trigger step. So this trigger button, in here we have to select a trigger event with the help of which I want to kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot. So I will click on this drop down, and in here you can see this is the list of all the available trigger events. So from here I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this box. So to add a keyword inside this box, you just have to type down that particular keyword and press this enter button. Here our keyword has got added successfully. Now I will add one more keyword. I will type down this hello, and I will again press this enter key, and here our another keyword has also got added successfully. And here this enter regex box is also given to us. So this regex stands for regular expression, which is a universal code with the help of which we can extract some keywords from a particular paragraph. But as to kickstart this WhatsApp chatbot, I can use either keyword or this regex match. So here, as I have already entered this keyword, so I will skip this regex for now, and we will move towards my first action step. So for my first action step, I want that whenever my customer has sent me these keywords, then I want to send them a welcome message, just like I have received in my WhatsApp account. So to frame a WhatsApp message, I will just drag in this text button from here, and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I have to connect all of these following circles like this to make sure that this particular welcome message follows this keyword sent by my customer. And now inside this enter message box, I will enter the welcome message for my customer. So here I have entered this welcome message for my customer, and just below this particular message I will add two different buttons for my customer to select from. So to add a button, I just have to click on this add button, and you can see I have created these two buttons. Now inside this first button I will enter this text browse products, and inside this second button I will enter this text talk to agent, so that my customer can interact with me by clicking on any of these following buttons. Now we will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, for this browse products, I want that whenever my customer clicks on this button, I want to send them a list of all the products that I have in my store. So to frame a list, I will just drag in this list from here, and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will again connect both of these following circles, and now I will enter the body and footer of my list. So here I have added this body and footer of my list. Now I will add sections inside my list. So to add section, I just have to click on this add section button, and in here I will name my section as this earring and jhumkas, and inside this particular section I will add all the items related to this particular section. So I will click on this add items button to add one item, and inside this title I will add this particular item this boho desi hoops jumkas at the rate of rupees 599. And inside this particular section, you can add as many items you want by clicking on this add items button. So as I have created this particular first section, now just like this, I will add 2 more sections inside my list and then we will move further. So here I have successfully added these 3 different sections inside my list. First section is this earring and jhumkas, second one is this tote bags, and the third one is the crochet tops and minis. So just like this, you can add many sections and many items inside your list as per your choice. So as I have already created this following 1 items inside each of my sections, now I will drag in this media button from here, and in here I will give all the details about this particular product to my customer. So for that, inside this caption, I will enter this particular caption where I have provided my customer with all the details about this particular boho desi hoops, earring and jhumkas. Now I will also add an image here. So for this media type, I will select it as image, and in here I will drag and drop the image which I want to send to my customer. So here you can see I have also inserted this particular image inside my media button. Now whenever my customer will click on this particular item, they will automatically receive all the details about this particular item. So for that, I just have to connect both of these following circles, and just like this, I will add these media buttons to remaining items of my list. So here I have successfully added these media buttons with images and details about this particular product for my customer for each of my items. Now I want to give my customers 2 options whenever they see any of this following product for themselves. So for that, I will just click on this add button twice, and inside this first button, I will enter this text, place order, and inside this second button I will enter this text, go back to list, so that if my customer wants to buy this particular product, then they can directly click on this place order button to place an order for themselves. But if they want to select any other product for themselves, then they can click on this go back to list, and this button will direct them back to this particular list. So just like this, I will quickly add these 2 different buttons to each of my media buttons. So here I have also added these place order and go back to list buttons inside each of my media buttons. Now I will just connect this go back to list button with this particular list so that my customer can click on this button to go back directly on this list. Now I will connect this button to like this, and for this button also I will just drag a thread from here and I will connect it with this list like this. Now after this, I want that whenever my customer selects any of this product for themselves and clicks on this place order, I want to store the selection made by my customer. So that can be made possible with the help of this custom field. So I will drag it in here and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will click on this drop down, and in here you can see this is the contact custom field product which I have created to store the product selected by my customer. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles like this, and now inside this enter value box, I will enter this particular name of this product and the price with it. So here I have entered the value, and inside this value you can see I have entered this midnight Markame tote at the rate of rupees 899. So just like this, I will quickly add these contact custom fields to each of my items. So here I have also added these contact custom fields to each of the items inside my list. Now whenever my customer will select any of these items, then my chatbot will remember the selection made by my customer. So now I will also show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this window, I will advise you to click on this save button, otherwise the flow that we have created here will get lost. So you can see as our flow is updated successfully. So now I will go in this settings, and here I will select this contact custom field, and in here you can see these are the contact custom field that I have created for myself. So to add one more contact custom field, I just have to click on this add more field, and here when I will give a name to my contact custom field, and then after pressing this save button, you will see that my contact custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this contact custom field inside my flows. So I will open the flow in which I am working. So you can see this is the flow where I am working, and in here when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you can see this testing is the exact same contact custom field that I have created with you guys. Now I can select this if I want to. So here I have successfully shown you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. Now I will move towards my next action step, and for that I want to ask a question from my customer where I will ask them to select the color of the product for themselves. So to ask a question, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular question where you can see I have given these 3 different type of options to my customer to select from. Now I will just connect all of these following contact custom field with this particular question button, and after that we will move towards my next action step. So you can see I have connected all of these following circles. Now for this contact custom field of this particular color, I will click on this drop down and I will select this color contact custom field which I have created to store the color of the product selected by my customer. Now for this format, I will select it as text because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular text format. And for this number of attempt box, in here I can enter the number of attempt which I want to give to my customer, but I will skip this for now and we will move towards my next action step. So for that also, as I want to ask another question from my customer, so I will again drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles and then in here I will enter the question which I want to ask to my customer. So here I have entered this question where I am asking my customer for the quantity of the product selected by them. So for that, inside this contact custom field, I will select this quantity contact custom field and inside this format, I will select it as number. Now in here, we have to enter the minimum and maximum value of what my customer can enter. So inside this text, you can see as I have entered the stock as 100. So inside this maximum, I will enter this 100 and inside this minimum, I will enter this 0. Now we will move towards my next action step. So for that, I will drag in this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles and now inside this enter message box, as I want to send this message to my customer. So here you can see I have entered this particular message and in here I have provided my customer with the details of the product selected by them. So you can see just by applying $sign in front of this product contact custom field, I can map the name of the product selected by my customer. And just like this, for this color also, I have used this $sign and this color contact custom field to map the colors selected by my customer. And I have repeated the same process for this quantity selected by my customer. And below here, I have given this question, what would you like to do next? So that's why I will add these two different buttons for my customer to select from, and inside this first button I will enter this particular button check out, and inside this second button I will enter this text to go back to list. So my customer can either check out from here or they can go back to the list to select another product for themselves. So I will just drag a thread from this go back to list button and I will connect it with this particular list like this. And after that, when my customer clicks on this checkout button, I want to send them a question to ask their personal details like their name, address and other things. So for that, I will just drag in this ask question button from here and inside this enter message box I will enter this particular text where you can see I have asked my customer for their address details. That's why inside this contact custom field I will select this particular contact custom field customer details and inside this format I will select it as any. After that, I will connect both of these following circles and then we will move towards my next action step. And for that, when my customer has sent me all the details about their address, I want to send them another message. So for this, I will drag in this ask media button as I want to get a proof of the payment made by my customer. So for that, I will just first of all connect both of these following circles and inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message where you can see I have given these three different type of payment options to my customer, and below this text you can see after payment I have written this after payment please send a screenshot here. So that's why for this contact custom field I will select it as proof and inside this select media type I will select it as image. Now we will move towards my next action step. Here from this messages features here, I will again drag in this text button and inside this text button, I will enter this particular text. Please click on the button given below and wait while we verify the payment made by you. So now I will connect both of these following circles and just below this text, I will add this button where I will enter this particular text waiting so that my customer can click on this particular button while I will verify for the payment made by them. So here I have entered this text waiting. Now just after this particular text from the section features here, I will drag in this delay and here I will add a delay of 2 minutes so that I can verify the payment made by my customer, and after that I will automatically send them a final concluding message with all the details about their product. So now I will just connect both of these following circles and for this delay type drop down I will select this delay for, and inside this delay unit I will enter the minutes and inside this delay value I will enter this 02. Now with the help of this delay, the message which I want to send to my customer, which is the final concluding message, will get delayed by 2 minutes by which I can verify the payment made by my customer. So now to frame my final message from this messages features here, I will again drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter my message inside this box. So here I have also entered my concluding message for my customer Now we will work on this second button of ours, where you can see the second button that I have created here was talk to agent. So now we will frame this particular button. So for this also, from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button, and inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message where you can see I have entered this text. No worries, I'll connect you to Arushi from Not in Thread Studio. And here I have entered the name of my customer agent inside this chat. Now after this particular question, I will again drag in this text button, and in here, as I have asked my customer to share their queries inside this particular question, so that's why inside this text button I will enter this text, got it, Arushi will contact you soon. Now for this contact custom field, I will select it as query. So you can see this is the queries. I will select my contact custom field, and after that, for this format, I will select it as any. Now I just have to connect this particular talk to agent button with this question, and after that this question with this text button, and with this I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I just have to click on this save button to save this flow from here, otherwise this WhatsApp chatbot will not work as we expect it to work. Now as this flow is completed, so now we just have to check if this flow is working properly or not. So for that also, I will again open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat I just have to send this keyword start. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here inside my chat it will send me a welcome message. So here I have also received my welcome message. This means that this WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing automation to automate your handmade product selling business. Now if you want to clone this flow, then for you I will add a link of this flow in the description box of this video, so you can go and clone this flow from there. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel for more such amazing videos. Please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us, and thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.